Okay, so purpose of this video is to explain what I want to do with this channel. I just changed the name of the channel from Squirrel Awareness to Andrew's Nature and Animals because I kind of want to broaden it a little bit. Of course, there's going to be some squirrels occasionally, and see, I have goats too, so this video isn't about them though. Maybe a separate video will be about them. But I want to do a video at least every week, but that's probably what I said last time. Last year, they made only 3 videos of a squirrel on the feeder. And that was an eastern fox squirrel. Most people don't seem to be aware that there is more than one species of squirrel that are different from each other as a tiger is from a domestic cat. Different genetically, not phenotypically necessarily. So it, as you can see, it just rained. It's one of those rare summer rains we rarely get. And summer is not really a good motivator to do anything because it's always so hot. But this is where I go to unwind. The total area is about 10 acres if you count my yard and neighbors' yards that live here. I'm probably not going to show my face much. It's not because I'm ugly or anything, it's just that channel isn't really about me. I'm just the messenger of this channel. But I guess I'll show myself, because see, I'm growing a little bit of a beard now. I want to try to make it look like Riker from Star Trek. Anyway, because I'm a Star Trek nerd, but that's not what the channel's about. I'm also a nature nerd. Anyway, and so I'm gonna actually be going down here and sitting on this chair every week, watch nature. I actually saw a roadrunner go by here yesterday. I think it was a roadrunner. Yeah. So anyway, basically what this channel is going to be about is whenever I get the chance, I'll make some nature and animal videos featuring my various animals. And if I ever get to go anywhere, I'll be sure to bring a camera. Actually, I almost never forget to bring a camera with me when I'm going somewhere with nature. Yeah. So anyway, I think that's gonna be about it.